I was born and raised in Ecuador. I immigrated to the United States and I had the opportunity to travel to some cool cities. A few years back, I visited France for the first time because I met a French guy in an English class. After being in Paris for a week, I went to see Le Mont Saint-Michel. I missed the bus back to Paris because I stopped to get an ice cream. I was careless, afraid, lost, in a strange place with no sense of direction. In the information building, a lady called a taxi for me. The taxi driver, Sebastian, called me and gave me directions of where to meet, but I was too confused, so he walked all over the place until he found me. We arrived at the train station, and Sebastian got out of the taxi and went inside with me to talk to the lady at the gare. She only spoke French. After some time, he said, "She's going to give you tickets to take a train to go to Saint-Malo, and from there, you must take another train to go to Paris." A couple saw what happened from a short distance. They approached me and said they were going to Saint-Malo, but they would make sure I got in the train to take me to Paris. I arrived at Paris with a grateful heart and totally in love with the generosity of French people. So much that I keep going there every year, and every time I go, I get to meet wonderful people along the way. If I find a lost tourist, I will do my very best to help them. I realize I didn't go to Paris to find love, but to find myself. Have you been to France? Have you ever been to a place where you found more than what you were looking for?